Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you all? Today in your art and craft class you will be learning 3D earth. Here it is, it's 3D. I'm sure you like it. Okay, let's get started. The material you will be needing for it is scale, a pair of scissors. Always handle scissors with very carefully under the supervision of your elders. Lead pencil, paint brushes, black marker, pointer, glue stick, poster paints, sharpener, punch machine, ribbon and a chart paper. Okay, in first step we want a white chart paper and I want to draw 4 circles on it. I'm using lead to draw circle. You can use anything, you can use compass as well. But if you are using compass, be very careful. I'm drawing the circles with the help of marker so they get prominent. Now I'm drawing the second circle. Here it is. Now the third one. Done. Now the fourth and final. We are using 4 circles. Now I'm closing my marker. Here are the 4 circles. As you all know, Earth is divided into 2 parts, land and water. So I'll make land patterns in these circles. First I'm making the land pattern in the first circle like this. Try to keep the pattern same in all the circles. First I'm making them or drawing them with the help of my lead pencil like this. It's almost done. Here it is. Now I'm tracing it with my black marker to make it prominent. Now carefully trace it so it will give a neat look. Almost done. I'm tracing the land patterns. Here it is. Now the first one is ready. I'll make. Look, I have drawn all the land patterns in all the circles. Here it is. Now I'm cutting them. Always handle the scissors very carefully. Always use the scissors under the supervision of your parents. Like this, separate them. Now start cutting like this along the edges very carefully. I have done cutting of all the circles. They will be like this. Now the second step is this. Take a circle, fold it, run your finger on it. Now make it double. This is the way, and we have to repeat the same procedure in all 4. Make them double. This is my second circle. Now third one. I'm repeating the same procedure on all the circles. Fold it. Now make it again like this. I have done folding. Open them all like this. I want to show you now it is divided into 4 equal parts, or 4 obvious lines are coming. Now take a scale, and with the help of marker you can draw a straight dotted line like this, and you can take any of the lines out of these 4. You can take any of the line. I have taken this one and made a straight dotted line. Now another. It's up to you, whichever you want. From center towards the outside. I'm drawing the dotted straight line in the third. Now percent of our earth is made up of water. I'm using blue color to show water. Carefully paint around the edges. You can keep a plastic sheet under your paper or chart paper, or a rough sheet under the craft which you are painting. Carefully I'm painting along the land area. It's almost done. I have done painting in all the circles. The final look will be like this. Now the next step is this. Take two circles, turn them, apply glue. Apply glue especially around the edges very carefully. Now once again in the same manner, especially around the edges, close the glue. Now join both the circles like this from back side and paste them together. Run the thumb over it. Now take the next two, turn them, again apply glue, especially around the edges, in the middle, like this, in second as well. Now bring both the circles together from the back side, join them to paste, run your thumb around it so it will get pasted. Look here, now we are having two circles, but look, white edges are coming out, they are not giving nice effect. So I am cutting all the white edges which are coming out, all the extra edges, so my craft will look neat in the end. Here some white edges. Now I'm checking the other circles, it's also having the white edges. I'm cutting them, all the extra. Check from the both sides to make it neat. Almost done. Now throw all the cutting. Now remember, we have drawn our dotted straight line in the beginning. We have to cut carefully along this line and always use the scissor under the supervision of your parents. Be very careful while using scissor. I have cut that dotted line. Now I'm having a slit in my first circle. Now I'm taking my second circle. As you can see, a dotted line. Carefully handle the scissors under the supervision of your parents. Start cutting this straight line. I have done the cutting. Both are having slits. What you have to do, hold them like this in this position and slide them together by the slit like this. Look, the final shape of your 3D earth is ready. It's done. Take the punch machine. I have punched a hole in it. Take the ribbon, pass it through, tie a knot. Now your 3D earth craft is ready. I hope you liked it. Do try it at your home and see you soon with another exciting video. Allah Hafiz.